Got my Firestone. Alrighty. My day just got a whole lot better. Let's see. Huh? Doesn't like a koozie. Alright, you'll see me drinking this. It's the same. The Amberana Parabola. And another. Double barrel. And another double barrel. Another Amberana. A regular. The beauty of Firestone is that they really do package their stuff nice. They take time. But this right here, I did not order this. Did not order this at all. They threw this in there as a free gift, I guess. Would you look at that? Look at that. They give that to me for free. That is not on my invoice here. 3 Amberanas, 2 4-packs, 2 of the double barrel parabolas, and 1 regular parabola. This was free. That is awesome. I actually have more beer coming from them. So we'll do this one more time from Firestone. So there's not going to be a beer consumed on this particular video because I have a softball game coming up in a couple of hours and I'm going to save it for that. Because what better way to play softball than with beer? And besides, these are heavy hitters. This is 9%. Okay, 9%. Amberana. Doesn't have one here, but let's see. You can see the Amberana is 14.6%. So we're not going to do that tonight. I'm not going to do that to myself. Let's go with vintage. I think I put it on video, but show you anyways. I do have really cold, by the way. Also, I have more cold. This one's 13.6. That's quite a bit. And then double barrel. This one's 15.5. So This is definitely going to be after some yard work. We had rain on Monday. We actually had rain on Monday. We got just under 3/4 of an inch here, which was pretty awesome. Anyways, let's go show you what the yard looks like. Let's see, I mowed it on Saturday, put down some more DiseaseEx on Sunday, rained on Monday, and here it is Wednesday. Let's go show you that. Looking really good. You know, and your yard starts paying you back. Pretty amazing. It's just a nickel, but hey, I'm making money off of it. That's the latest on the yard and the beer. I'll be back probably tomorrow with more. Okay, today's the day. I went and picked up my Casa Agria. Zeros to Heavens, Last Shores. Three. As I was checking out the other video I used my GoPro with, when I showed the alcohol percentage, you could not see that. So we're going to take a look at those again, and I will show you the alcohol percentage of the 3 different Programmable variants. And we'll check out 25th anniversary. You might be able to see it, but it's 7%. It's got, might be able to see that. Let's see, dry hop this with a bunch of Simcoe Strata backed up with by Citra and Centennial. I just got home with these, so they're pretty sweaty. Last Shores is no solo. Let's see, Enigma, Nelson, and Idaho 7. The vintage Parabola. You can see it's 13.6. There it is, 2021. So there it is, 14.6%. It's got Amberana wood spirals in it. It's only 12 ounces, so that's a lot for 12. So there it is. Bourbon and wheated whiskey barrels, 15.5%. Not bad. When I go to drink this one, I will pull out my 10th anniversary and show that bad boy off. So every year since the 10th anniversary, they give you a breakdown of what the beer is. It's always a blend. They give you a breakdown. I talk to you about it, all the people involved in making it, and then they give you a breakdown of the different beers that are in it. So as you can see, you've got a Parabola, 41%, Sticky Monkey, 10%, the Tequila Barrel Merkin, 28%, Brandy Barrel Barley Wine, 13%, whiskey barrel wheat wine. It's 8%. And that's what's in that bottle over there. So there it is. It is 11.5%. But inside that bottle is a mix of all of those beers. Stick around. We'll find out what I get into.